Hello guys, how are you everyone? Right now we are here at Days Inn, Days Inn, Days Inn Regina. So we are on room 312. Okay, this is our room. I'm here with Gia, and in the other room there is Jess family, and this is our room. I will tour you around our room. So yeah, pakita ko sa inyo ha. Ito ang malalaking bed. O tag-isa kami ni G. 1, 2, at malaking sofa. And then this is like the table for everything from here to there. So nanditong mga bagahe namin. One night only, so backpack only. So there is a computer chair dito. Kung meron kang mga laptop, hindi ko dalang laptop. May mga drawer dito. You can put your stuff. Okay, may dalawang upuan din. At saka they have the microwave. And they have this small fridge. Walang laman. Okay, maliit. At itong mga kape. This is my dala-dala. So, yan. And then, there's the door, entrance door. And right at the entrance, mayroon ditong salamin. Magandang salamin. Okay, there it is. May salamin. O, diba? Kita. And right next to the salamin is their washroom. Itong washroom nila. Yan lang ang kanyang parang sink. Yan. May sabon. Compliments Dove. Bitbitin kita. At saka towels. Of course, the toilet. And the shower. Dove pa rin ang kanilang mga shampoo, lotion, body wash, whatever. So, yan lang. Yan ang mga Dove products. Good. And paglabas mo ng washroom, opposite dito, ang hanger, kung mayroon kang datihan niya, plancha. May plancha doon. O, diba? It's nice. So, that's it. Yan lang ang room namin. So, we will enjoy for a night. And tomorrow, we will drive back home. Maybe late. And, pakita ko pala, this one. Ang frames. Frame nila. What is that? And we have TV. Yan. And we have Dream. Ganda rin. But most importantly, we will rest on these big beds. Okay, tonight. I don't know what we will do here. Just for night. Okay? So that's my room tour at room 312 at Days Inn Regina. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. See you later. Enjoy your day. God bless.